how to change the app icon, Android and iOS, in a very easy way without wasting time. If you notice here, you're gonna notice that in our app, Smart E-commerce app, we don't have any icons yet. This is a bad icon, and here also it's a bad icon, the default icons for Android and iOS. So now let's learn how to add icons to both Android and iOS. Let's start with the iOS and do it in the very easy way. So now here, if you open downloads, we have here two icons, app icon and app icon rounded. This rounded is only for Android. I mean, we're gonna use both for Android, and for iOS we're gonna use only this, okay? You can download those two icons from link from description, okay? Or you can use any icons of yours. Now, just open Google and just type app icon and select app icon generator. Let's press OK. Let's drag and drop our icon like that. Since we're gonna use only for iOS this lesson, so let's not check this Android. And now let's press on generate. If you open downloads again, you're gonna notice that we have here a folder. Let's rename it with iOS and let's extract it. Here in Mac, if I press 2 clicks, I can extract it like that. If we open here, we have here our icons. All what you need is to do the following. Open your project inside iOS folder, inside app name, here Smart E-commerce, so you can check for your app name, and inside images.xc assets, inside app icon, just drag and drop the folder here. So let's go here and replace this folder without our new folder. Just replace it like that inside image xc assets and just press replace. Now we have here our new icon. All what you need is to rerun your app. So let's rerun our app to see our new icons. Let's press run and waiting until the run is finished. Now if you see your app, now our new icon exists. Look, that's the icon that we've chosen. So changing the icon in iOS is really easy.